Hi friends, welcome to Vocabulary and Pronunciation Part 5. In our previous class, we had learned about stress in words, and we learned that it is syllable stress that is there in English. And so, let us try to read the 10 words which we had learned earlier with the correct stress. I suppose all of you had practiced the words clearly. And now let us learn what to stress in those words. So the first word, debut. The stress is on the first syllable, day. And the letter T is silent. And that is why the word is read as debut. The second word, kangaroo. It's a 3-syllable word and the stress is on the third syllable, kangaroo. And the third word, separate, again has 2 syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. Word number 4, kernel, again having 2 syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. 5, lieutenant, again having 3 syllables and the stress is on the second syllable and the word is read as lieutenant. 6th word, rond, again has 2 syllables and the stress is on the first syllable. Bourgeois, stress is on the first syllable, bourgeois. The next word, column, stress is again on the first syllable and the letter N is silent. That is why we read the word as column. And the 9th word, salmon. Again, stress is on the first syllable and the word is read as salmon. The L in the word is silent. That is why it is not read as salmon, it is read as salmon. And the 10th word, tortoise. Again, the stress is on the first syllable. And here we can see most of these words are words having 2 syllables and the stress is mostly on the first syllable as they are either adjectives or nouns. And the 2 words which we had learned, kangaroo and lieutenant, are having 3 syllables and the stress was in the first word kangaroo on the last syllable and in lieutenant on the second syllable. So today let us again have another vocabulary technique for improving our vocabulary, and we are here with a Scrabble words game which can help you to improve your vocabulary. There are certain rules for playing this game, and the first rule is you have to make words having 3 or more letters. And the second rule is do not use proper nouns like names of persons, places, and of months, continents, mountains. These all things cannot be used, or let us say words which are written starting with a capital letter should not be used as part of this game. And the third rule is do not repeat a letter more than once in the same word if not repeated in the word. So these are the rules for playing the Scrabble words game, and let us take an example and then do it. Look at the word environmental. I suppose all of you are familiar with the word environmental. And with the letters of the word environmental, try to make as many words as possible by keeping in mind the rules that we had discussed. So the first thing is, you shall be making words having 3 or more letters. Another rule is, do not repeat the letter in the same word if it is not repeated in the word. Look at this word environmental. It has got 2 E's, so you can repeat the E in the same word. It has got 3 N's, and so you can repeat the N's 3 times in the same word. But there is a letter called T or A which are used only once, and the same letter should not appear in the word twice. We will just look at an example so that you will be knowing. And another rule that we have told is, do not write proper nouns, because you can make many names from the letters which are given there, like Lena, Lima, Emil. So such names are not allowed in the game. And again, let us take an example called matter, M-A-T-T-E-R. See, all the letters are there in the word environmental, but T is repeated. So you cannot be using that way also. And maybe you will think it is very difficult. No, it is easy, provided we follow certain techniques. So what I would like to say is, when we get such a task, the first thing that we need to do is try to make as many words as possible using the first letter of the word. So what is the first letter of the word in environmental? It's E. So let us try to make as many words as possible with the letter E. Have you thought of making a word with the letter E? Yes, I think some of you must have got it. Enter. E-N-T-E-R. E is repeated, but there are 2 E's in the word environmental. Yes, another word can you think of? Yes, it's a very simple word, eat. See, there are 3 letters in the word, so it's a valid word. But you cannot make a word called at, because it has got only 2 letters. So eat is a valid word. Another word, ear. We all have ears, so ear. Another word, eternal, entire, elate, environment. See, the word is environmental, so we can make a word called environment. Enamel, envier, even, event, earn. So we have made 12 words with the letter E itself, starting with the letter E. Now, what's the next letter? N. Let us try to make as many words as possible, starting with the letter N. Can anybody say a word starting with the letter? Yes, I think you got it. Never. Yes, there is a number that can be made with the letters. 9, none, name, nail, neat, no, normal, near, not, no. So many more words can be made with the help of these letters, and then try to make at least 100 words. Oh, you thought it is difficult? No. See, with the 2 letters itself, we could make 24, and much more words are there that can be made even with the first two letters. So it is not a very difficult task, and if you try to do this, it will help you to improve your imagination too, because you need to rearrange the letters in many ways so that you can make meaningful and useful words. So this will surely help you to improve your vocabulary. And another technique is by unscrambling the words, the letters which are given in a word. See, for example, look at this group of letters: LOCORUFLU. Can you rearrange those letters to make a meaningful word? Is it possible for you? Just think. I think some of you must have got the word. Sometimes it may be a bit difficult. But look at the word. Colorful. The word is colorful, that can be made with these letters is colorful. Yes, look at another group of letters: ANTIODICYR. Can you identify a word and make it? Yes, it may be a bit difficult, but I shall give you the meaning of the word that will help you. So, the word means a reference resource which provides information about words and their meanings. I repeat, a reference resource which provides information about words and their meanings. Have you got the word now? Yes, I think you have got it. It is dictionary. So once the meaning is given, it may be easy for you to understand and identify the word. But you must be able to think of various ways in rearranging the letters to find a word that will help you to improve your vocabulary very well. Now, some activity for you. The first activity is trying to make as many words as possible by scrabbling the words here and there, or arranging the letters here and there and making meaningful words. And the word with which you need to make other words are developmental. 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 Try to make as many words as possible. Keep in mind the rules that we have learned. Words shall be having three or more letters. Do not use proper nouns and do not repeat the same letter in the same word unless it is repeated in the word which is given to you. The next one is, I shall give you certain group of letters. Try to make out what is the word and then try to do it. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.